Good evening, everyone. This is Mike B. with the Temple of Citrara, the Temple of the Backwards Tree. One of my subscribers had asked about planetary prosperity rituals, and I really don't feel like going into that without covering the basics of planetary magic first. So tonight we're going to do a brief tutorial on planetary magic, planetary squares, and basic correspondences of color and scent. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I'd like to show you or direct your attention to is this. This is the magic square of Mars. Okay? Anytime that you want to do something Mars related or charge an object with the power of Mars, you will use this. You create this tablet in the day and hour of Mars. Typically, I make mine at dawn, because dawn every day is the first hour of the day. Like dawn on Tuesday is the day and hour of Mars. That's when you fabricate this. A good planetary apps calculator is very, very helpful in determining what phase the planets and the hours are currently in. You can find that on App Store. Just search for planetary times. Now, let's talk about correspondences. Dragon's blood, the scent, corresponds to Mars. The color red corresponds to Mars. So if I want to put together a little ritual, I'm going to burn some dragon's blood. I'm going to light a red candle. I'm going to start in the day and hour of Mars, and I'm going to rock out. Now, this is a tablet of the sun. Okay? The color correspondences for the sun would obviously be yellow. The scent is frankincense. This is a Jupiterian square. And the correspondences for Jupiter are blue and cedar. Obviously, there are 4 more planets, and I'll try to cover them by memory, but I don't have squares for all of them. Venus would be green and rose or sandalwood. Okay? The moon would be jasmine and purple or white. Saturn would be black, and the scent would be myrrh. Okay? Mercury would be storax or copal, and the color would be orange. Okay? Those are the basic correspondences. Now, let's talk about invoking and banishing hexagrams. I do not like to use the Golden Dawn hexagrams. I don't like to use Golden Dawn anything. I'm not a Golden Dawn magician. I am a left-hand path magician of clip-off. So I prefer using the thelemic hexagrams like this. Invoking. All right? Invoking Saturn would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? To banish Saturn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take a good look at this. Okay? Now, this information, if you ever need to reference it, is located very conveniently in my Occult Mirror Journal Grimoire, the legendary grimoire of Prince Orobus. This is a very, very excellent e-grimoire, and it has this information and all of the color correspondences that we've currently discussed here tonight. Now, let's talk about a little practical magic. How do we take this information and make it useful to the magician? I'm going to show you right now. First thing we're going to do is take and put a stick of incense frankincense second thing we're going to do By the power of the four elements inside of me and the infernal divine, I do consecrate this taper, that as it burns, my will may be made manifest in the flesh. I will that this candle is charged with solar energy from the tablet of the sun. Now, okay, now, we take our wand and we visualize a golden hexagram formed from the sun, like this. Okay? That would be up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. We invoke the power of the sun planetarily. Now, I imagine my goal for good health or for prosperity, and I visualize it in this candle's flame exactly what I want. I visualize this for 7 to 9 minutes, and I do this each day starting Sunday at dawn. Then Monday, I find the planetary hour of the sun, and I do another 7 to 9 minutes. Tuesday, I find the planetary hour of the sun, and I do another 7 to 9 minutes. I do this for 1 week. This is how you actually get something done with magic. Very easy and very effective. Repetition is power. Let me make a point. A lot of magicians think that they can accomplish a working in one ritual. And you know what? If you can, that's great. A lot of us get lucky once in a while and accomplish it with one working. But most of the time, the average goal, a job, more money, a relationship, bringing your ex back, a windfall of cash, these things require persistence and patience and multiple applications. You need to repeat the same ritual several times in order to change reality on the astral plane. Once you have changed reality in the astral plane, the change will manifest in the material world just like that. But to change the astral and keep it set and keep it formed requires willpower, imagination, and concentration. And above all, persistence. If I imagine an apple right here, and now I look at my camera, the apple is gone. The apple was created in the astral for only a moment before blinking out. If I concentrate on an apple for 10 minutes every day for 7 days, I guarantee you an apple will find its way to my temple table. That's how it works. Okay, everybody, if you have any questions, I want you to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for your encouragement, and please continue to give me guidance on what you would like to hear from and what you would like me to teach and to demonstrate for you. This is Mike B with the Temple of Sitra Ara, the Temple of the Backwards Tree. Have a great night.